How to add music to WhatsApp status. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add music to your WhatsApp status. So this is a fun way and easy way to spice up your stories and express yourself better. Adding music to your WhatsApp status lets you share your mood, taste and personality with your contacts in a creative way. So without further ado, let's begin the process. So, to speak up frankly, WhatsApp doesn't have an option to directly add music to your status. But don't worry, we have a simple trick to do that using the Instagram app. So first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once on the home page, swipe right to access the story mode. And now here you can select the photo or video from your gallery, or you can simply click the photo as well. For this video, I'm gonna simply click the blank photo. And once I have done that, at the top right side, you can see the music icon. So simply tap on that to add the music. And after tapping on that, a pop-up menu will appear with a list of all the songs. So you can find the specific song, and once you found that, you can simply tap on it to add the music. And once you have added the music, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on save to save the video. And once the video is saved, head over to your WhatsApp app. And from there, you can simply tap on updates shown in the bottom of the screen. And here you can tap on my status and then choose the saved video from your gallery. And voila, your WhatsApp status has now music. And that's it. You have successfully added music to your WhatsApp status using Instagram. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.